Hey guys, welcome back to Card Magic 101, and today I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on a variation of the swing cut called the swivel cut. So really the only prerequisite you need to be able to do the swivel cut is the swing cut. But it's really such a simple cut that even if you don't know the swing cut, you can probably get it, be able to learn it. So yeah, let's jump right in. So the grip that you're going to want to use is the exact same as for the swing cut. So you're going to want your middle finger on the top right corner of the cards and your thumb on the bottom right corner. And so what you do is the exact same as the swing cut, the same setup. So you're going to take your index finger, pull off whatever amount of cards you want. So I'll take about a little less than half. And you bring it over as if you're going to do the swing cut. But instead of bringing the webbing over to grab it, what you're going to do is take your pointer finger to the bottom left corner of these cards and then release it from your thumb, and you can see that it's just connected to my two index fingers, and then you're just going to rotate it clockwise up until it can get to your hands, and then you can complete the cut. So I'll do that again. So you're going to break off however many cards you want to use, bring them over like that, and then take your index finger, place it on the bottom left corner of the cards, and then rotate clockwise and then rotate your left wrist until they fall into your hands and complete the cut. So at full speed it looks like that, and you can also combine some swing cuts into it, so you can do like some swing cuts and then finish it off with a swivel like that. So yeah, that's basically the swivel cut. You should be able to learn it pretty quickly. It's a very low difficulty cut to learn, but it is very important if you want to get started in cardistry. So yeah, that's the tutorial. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of content you want next. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.